Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup demographic reports from niche, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, log into your niche account. Navigate to the dashboard where you can access your demographic reports. Locate the section labeled Reports on the left-hand sidebar. Click on Reports to view the available options. Select Demographic Reports from the list presented. Choose the specific demographic report you wish to backup. After selecting the report, look for the Export option, usually represented by an icon or button. Click on the Export button to initiate the download process. Decide on the preferred file format for your backup. Common formats include CSV or PDF. Select your desired format to proceed. The report will now be prepared for download. Once the download is complete, check your Downloads folder. Open the downloaded file to ensure the data is intact. For added security, consider saving the file to a cloud storage service. This step will provide an extra layer of backup. Regularly repeat this process to keep your demographic reports updated. By following these steps, you can successfully backup your demographic reports from niche. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.